Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the League of Legends client not opening. First, close everything you have open and restart your computer. This clears temporary issues and stops stuck background services. Now go to where the Riot Client is installed on your computer. Right-click on the Riot Client shortcut or the Riot Client Services file. From the menu, click on Run as Administrator. This gives the client full permission to start correctly and access all required files. Wait a few seconds and check if the League of Legends client opens normally. If the client still does not open or gets stuck, we will repair the game files. Open the Riot client again as administrator. Once it opens, click on the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. In the settings menu, find League of Legends and look for the repair option. Click on repair and confirm the action. The client will now scan your game files and replace any corrupted or missing files. This process may take some time, so let it finish. When the repair is done, close the Riot client fully. Make sure no Riot processes are still running. Then launch the Riot client again and start League of Legends. Most of the time, this fixes the issue. Thanks for watching.